Hi guys, small update. Guess what I'm doing? Yeah, she's getting her fork down, so no more service. Change the oil, checking if the bushing are okay, and changing the seals. One of my friend told me that when you try it, one of the fork was sticking, so it was right. So normal service. So that's what I'm doing. Let's see if things gonna be good. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. Well, it's done. The fork is service. The oil was rank. The bushing was okay. I put new seals on, so I still have the fairing to put on the bike. And after that, it's going to be the road test. Check it out if everything is okay. I didn't show you step by step of these for they're common, except for the anti-dive portion. It is only a valve. I wanted that thing to be done fast, so that's why I didn't take the time to do step by step and show you, but maybe next time. So it is done, so I'm going to ride. It's beautiful outside. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeesh. 33 degrees, high humidity. Yeah, just for a little spin. Okay, bye.